If you're looking to make visual impact, clickable content that's easy to publish on a web interface, all with zero code, that's exactly the problem that Flourish solves. In this video, you'll see how to fully embed responsive, interactive visualizations on your website. The goal? One interactive chart that works inside your website, is responsive to any screen size, updates instantly when your data changes, meets accessibility guidelines, has on-brand design, and doesn't require developer support. With Flourish, you create your visualizations once, then share it wherever your audience already is without rebuilding it. This is what modern data visualization software should do. Let's walk through the simplest way to embed a Flourish visualization. Once your project is ready, click Export and Publish. As soon as it's published, Flourish gives you a single line embed code. This default option is responsive. It automatically adjusts height and width to fit your page. You just copy the code and paste it into a CMS like WordPress or any platform that accepts embeds. And because the embed stays connected to Flourish, you can update your chart later, just hit republish, and every embedded version updates automatically. No re-uploads, no broken links. Alternatively, if you click More Options, you'll see two more choices: a basic iframe if scripts aren't allowed, or an AMP option. For teams on premium Flourish plans, there's also the option to download and host the project yourself. This gives you full control for internal infrastructure or custom setups. One watch out here, the preview link is not to be used for embedding on a website. You need the embed code. This is where Flourish stands out. You're not exporting static visuals, you're publishing interactive, fully responsive data stories that work everywhere. They stay up to date and they have zero code to manage. That's what makes Flourish such a powerful data visualization software for web publishing. If you want to go deeper into what Flourish can do for you, check out the link in the caption.